Hello there, this is your friendly hand puppet once again. Hi Lucky Hamster, how are you? Where's Lucky Hamster? My goodness, he must be missing. Someone must have stolen him. Help! Help me! Lucky Hamster is missing. Help me! TV, you gotta help me.
What is it? What's wrong?
Look at the hamster! He's missing!
He's missing? That's very unfortunate.
Yeah, it certainly is. I don't know what else to do. Guys, guess what?
What? What? What?
I got some terrible news. It's Lucky the hamster. He's missing.
Missing? 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 What? He's missing? Oh no! That can't be good!
It's not good at all. I gotta get some help. Hello? Hey, Mr. Carr.
Yes, man. I'm over here. Can I help you?
This is the hand puppet. I got some bad news. Lucky the hamster is lost.
Lucky the hamster? He's lost? That can't be good.
That's right. It's not good at all. So could you please, pretty please with sugar on top, help me?
Sure, I don't see why not.
Oh, thank you.
But, it's one thing.
Yes?
If I'm gonna help you, then you're gonna have to go outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will. Meet you right there.
You too.
Guys, I'm gonna go look for Lucky the hamster. I'll be right back, okay? For now, this is your pal, the hand puppet.
Well, I sure hope he has luck. I don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't understand what the hell's going on there. Something very mysterious. Where's the head puppet? I want to know where the head puppet is. Someone, please help me find the head puppet. This is your bad friend. Hey, Jamie.
Yeah?
Do you happen to know where the head puppet is?
As far as I know, that's none of your business.
None of my business?
That's right.
Come on, stupid! You gotta help me! Please help me! Come on! Let's find him!
Fudge?
Yes!
Why do you need a hand puppet?
I don't know! I'm just curious about my little brother! Please! Come on! Let's find him! Come on, stupid! Come on! Let's find him! Come on!
I don't know.
Come on, stupid! I need you to come with me! Oh, come on! Where could the head puppy be? You're bad bridge! Well, I'm back! Well, I got some bad news.
Yes?
Well, we still haven't found Lucky the hamster! Hey, Batman! I finally found you! Sorry, I just ran over the head, baby. Yeah. Hey, where could Lucky the hamster be? Lucky the hamster is still not here. Well, we're gonna have to keep finding him.
Well, to be continued.